hair extensions on. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Dani Jade. If you're new here, hello. So today it is going to be a hair tutorial. Now you might notice that I've got like a little bit of a lisp. Basically I had a dental surgery like a couple of days ago, so that's why I sound a bit weird. But I still wanted to film a video this week, so this is a nice quick one that I can do without having to talk too much, and yeah. Today it is a really simple hairstyle which you can do literally in maybe like 10 minutes. It is so sleek, so easy, and I got inspiration for this from, I saw Kim Kardashian do it, and then I also saw one of Kylie's pics the other day and she had this hairstyle, so I was like, this is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to be using the LULLABELLZ hair extensions. These are literally my favourite things to use, so yeah. Go and hit the subscribe button please, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can see when my next videos are going to be posted. Let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how I get this super cute hairstyle. Okay, so the hair extensions that I have got today are the LULLABELLZ 26-inch clip-in extensions. I have got a review of these, so go and check that out if you already haven't. So you're probably thinking, why is she not using the LULLABELLZ ponytail? So I have got the 26-inch ponytail. Check out that video if you haven't already. But the reason that I prefer to use the clip-in extensions is because I think the ponytail is just too thick for doing plaits and for doing this sort of hairstyle. I've got the 3-clip and 1 of the 2-clip extensions. So, step 1, I'm gonna scrape back my hair. Now in the pictures that I showed you of Kim and Kylie, they both have their hair just completely slicked back. I'm actually going to do a middle part today because I feel like I like that sort of look and it gives it something a bit more. Trick that I use to get your hair slicked back: first, tie it up with a scrunchie. One quick thing I forgot to mention, sorry, I am ever so slightly tying the pony slightly to the side of the back of my head rather than right in the middle. This is so that when I have the plaits I can have them like down at the side. Anyway, I'm tying it up with the big hair scrunchie first. Then, to get all of this nice and flat, I'm taking this gel. I literally haven't used this hair gel in years, but I remember when I was little my mum would literally drown my head in this hair gel to tie it back for when I used to do gymnastics. So this is some good hair gel and it is only £1. Definitely would recommend. Then go in with a brush like this one and we are going to scrape back all the hair right into the scrunchie as much as possible. Now look at the back of my head. Hopefully you can see there's all these like bumpy bits, but that is why we put the scrunchie in first. Then you want to take your normal hairband, gather all that hair, and you're going to pull the scrunchie off, and you've got a firm grip of that hair and you've got all those bumpy bits out as well, and then you're going to tie it up with the fuck. I didn't even put the hair extensions in. Oh my god. Let's start again.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to section off my hair from the top of my ears. I'm just sectioning that off. Then I am taking the 3-piece extension and I'm going to clip that in at the back. Then I'm going to take the 2-piece and literally just clip that over the top of the 3. Make sure that these are in nice and tight because you don't want them to slip down when you tie up the pony. Okay, hair extensions on. Now let's go back to tying up our hair. Okay, pony is in and edges, everything is nice and smooth. Shouldn't be able to see any like tracks or anything at the back. Okay, next I'm going to do the plaits, but one thing that I like to do is leave out like a tiny strand, not tiny, but leave out like a little strand of hair, preferably your hair because it's shorter, and I'm going to use that bit right at the end to wrap around the hairband so that you can't see it. You don't have to do this, but I just think that it's quite nice. Okay, so I'm going to take maybe like just that little bit there. That piece of hair is not to be used. Now in the image she has 2 plaits, so I'm going to try and split the pony into 2 sections. You want to try to get an equal amount of your hair and an equal amount of extensions on both sides, so you don't want like all of your hair on one side because you want to make them even and you want it to blend. All I have to do now is just make 2 plaits with my hair, but the trick to make your hair actually blend in and not stick out from the extensions, you're going to want a spray bottle and you're going to want this hair gel again. You're probably like, oh my god, you're gonna ruin the extensions. Firstly, they were cheap, so even if I did damage them somehow, then it doesn't really matter. Secondly, you can wash them, so it's fine. And thirdly, the great thing, which I mentioned in my other video, go and watch it, about the LULLABELLZ clip-in extensions, you get 5 pieces. So these 2 pieces I specifically use just for plaiting, and then the other ones I use for when my hair is down. So I'm going to quickly plait all of that up and then I will be back. Also, look at this water spray. My boyfriend got this for me. It's actually so cool. It's like a mist spray. Definitely get this. I will link it below. It's from Amazon. Alright, so I finished off the 2 plaits and I also wrapped the hair around at the back. Maybe you can see that, I don't know. So yeah, only thing left to do now, really important step, hair gel time again. And I'm literally gonna coat the entire plait with this hair gel. This is gonna just stop any of those little flyaway bits and it's gonna make it look as smooth as possible, and make sure you get those ends as well. Okay, and this is the finished look. I added some big gold hoops in for effect. These are heavy. This is a cute look. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you like this. Let me know in the comments what you think. Tell me if you try it out. This is so cute. I literally love this hairstyle now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you again very soon.